Something huge is about to happen for Bitcoin. Prepare for an explosive October. If we take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame and plot out our trend lines, you'll notice that Bitcoin is sitting right at those key resistance levels. A lot of people might think, well, it's already at the top, so it's about to head down. And that's a fair assumption. In the shorter time frames, we could definitely see a pullback to build new support levels. But I think we're at the brink of something different. Sure, Bitcoin might drop briefly on the smaller time frames, and we could even see some consolidation. But overall, I believe we're about to break out of this long-standing downtrend. And I'm about to show you why. Let's take a look at the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. We finally pushed above the black line you see on your monitor, which represents the RSI-based moving average. If you've been tracking this, we've stayed below that level since the beginning of April. But here's the key moment. In the last week of September, we broke above it. Historically speaking, whenever Bitcoin's RSI moves above this black line, we've seen strong price increases. Let me show you a couple of examples. It happened here, and again here, and each time Bitcoin went higher. So this isn't just a random occurrence. There's a pattern here, and it's starting to repeat itself. Now, looking ahead, I think October might just be the early stages of the next bull run. We're gearing up for a massive catalyst, the November election. Whether you support Donald Trump or Kamala Harris, both have expressed positive sentiment toward Bitcoin. They may have different regulatory approaches, but the fact that both are open to the idea of a pro-Bitcoin government is huge for the crypto space. What's exciting is that no matter who wins, the general sentiment is turning bullish. And Bitcoin could really start to surge higher as we approach the election season. But before we get there, let's talk about the short term. While I'm optimistic about October being green, we can't ignore the fact that short-term bearish moves are still possible. Bitcoin has had a strong rally over the past few days, so it's normal to expect some retracement or consolidation as it searches for stronger support levels. But remember, these are just short-term moves. The bigger picture is looking incredibly bullish. If you're planning to enter Bitcoin, a good level to buy again would be between $60,500 and $60,600 if it retraces back there. Make sure to prepare your cash for sudden price movements as volatility can spike at any moment. So as always, we here at Use the Bitcoin want to remind you to trade responsibly. Always do your own research, trade at your own risk, and only invest what you're willing to lose. Until next time, stay safe and peace out.